Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video. So I just had to quickly make the intro because it is turned to night. As soon as I got on the server like 2 seconds ago, and then it turns to night. So, hello, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Bee Swarm Simulator, and we will be, last episode, what did we do last episode? Oh, I remember it was a really long episode, sorry about that. But, we did some really good things. Spider. We got, 15 bees, so we could explore all of that area and down there area. And today I think I'm going to get a new one of these. A new thing instead of a pulse. 10 times haste. See you soon. Where am I? I'm right here. Oh. So, I'm going to see how much the next backpack is. 160. Oh, thing. So I'm going to start working on weed. So, I need to go to the bamboo right down here, and then the dandelion, which is over there. So I'll start collecting pollen, and I'll see you guys soon when I have enough to just move over to the field of dandelions. Okay, so I'm going to make honey, and while I'm doing that, you're level 4, that needs to be a level 5. No, you're not close. Are you close? Not really, you're not close. Riley Bee's close to being a level 6. He's still not a level 6. So what I'm gonna do is feed you all that. Feed you. Is that what you like? I think that's what you like. No! Oh, I think you must like something else. You like that? Yes, level 6! Yes! I've got a level 6 bee. So I'm just going to finish off, what's it called? Weed Whacker 2, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so did you see that? I just flicked it on for like 1 second. So, there's a sprout here, because I was just farming in the dandelion, because I was just like, it's super close to the hive, why not? Why wouldn't I? So I decided to, and then one just spawned right here, while I was doing it. See? I used to be at advanced level 5, and then like 5 seconds later, seedling is sprouted. Receive treat from farming in this field. Yes, twice the speed now because this guy's here. Oh, baby love, no, I missed it. So, I'm going to be on this episode is actually going to have a proper thumbnail, because I've got this app called Thumbnail Maker that I just got. See, Thumbnail Maker successfully installed. So I got that. So now I'll be able to make proper thumbnails instead of just randomly picking one out. The thing does. You'll actually be one that I choose. So whatever this one is right now, because like you're going to be seeing it when it's already up, is what it looks like and what I've chosen. Yes, only 29,000 left. Oh, another. Oh, that's not mine. I just need 4 more focus tokens, and then I have finished the quest for Sunbear. I haven't talked to Sunbear in a while, because I haven't needed to. Ooh, thing. So I think I'm gonna have to empty my backpack soon. So I will see you guys then. Bye. For just now. Okay, this guy's a panda. I just had to show you this. This guy's a panda. I think he has BRB. Unless he did a code. Either he did a code or he has BRB. Which I actually do have. I just have it in my other account. So who was that? Who was the panda man? I don't know, but let's just see if anyone has a BRB. No one has a BRB, so he must have done it from codes. Because you can get different morphs in the codes. So I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, so I've finished the bit for the Tandy line, and look, it's so close, just a tiny bit more, because I got baby last one times 2 the pollen that I was already getting. And I think because this guy's AFK, I can get all the stuff, so I got a royal jelly, yes, finally, first royal jelly from a sprout. I got strawberry, oh, he's not AFK anymore, but I've got 2 royal jellies from that already. Just from that, 2 royal jellies. So I can use 2 royal jellies in a second. 3 royal jellies! 3 royal jellies, which I can use on my hasty bee that I do not want. I've got 2 of them. So I will come over to here. And use it on this guy right here. And Riley Bee, Cool Bee, Rascal Bee is a big rascal. Oh, he's right next to the other one. So, I'm going to feed this to you. And these to you. He's so close to going to level 6. And those are my treats. Sorry guys, no one else gets any food today. Well, probably today, but just not right now. Yes, nighttime cycle again. That was a really quick nighttime cycle. There they are, the fireflies are all the way up in the sky up there. And they are going to the werewolf. So I'll be able to kill a werewolf right now. And also get a couple more of these. I've got 10, and on my other account I've got like 69, 68, 69, around that number. So yesterday, yes, it was yesterday, but like last episode of Bee Swarm, I actually got, why you have to be so annoying? Go away, I got 15 bees last time. Okay, that hurt a lot. That hurt a lot. Why do you hurt so much? You hurt so much. Don't kill me. Battle with the werewolf right now. I literally died to a werewolf. That sucks. But I did get 1, so now I've got 11. And I don't really think I'm going to bother with that right now. So, what am I gonna do this episode? So I was gonna get a new one of these. Oh, for some reason I checked the backpack, that's 160, instead of the pulsar collecty thingy. I can do another quest, so that's for the bamboo field. So that's for the field right here, down over there. Oh, sure. Don't go that way, go this way. So, oh, come on, so expensive. I think I'd rather save up for the parachute. That's going to be a while. So, I'm going to come down here, and I'll see you guys soon when this is all done. Oh, focus token, focus token. See you soon. Okay, so I'm back after like 1 minute, but for you it'll be like a millisecond. And guess why that is? Because, okay, I'm just gonna smack into a fence. I finished somebody's quest, yay! Quick feet, sharp minds. So I can hand it into somebody. Because this. Yes, another royal jelly. So, boot Luton! Oh, this is gonna take so long. So, boot Luton. So that means when I finish that quest, I'm gonna get those basic boots that are in that shop down there. Or over there. Oh, this thingy is amazing. And that's why I have collected it. I don't know why I'm singing. And I don't want to be shot all the way up here. I just want to go down here. So I'll collect this. And I will see you guys soon. I just can't stop it right now because I need to use my boob laugh. Okay, soon. Yay, I've finished Blackbeard's quest as well. Nice job, don't you feel smarter now? One more quiz. Okay. So just get all this. Pollen feature 3. Okay, 100,000. Okay, so that's gonna take a while. I'll just make some more honey while using one more royal jelly. Whisker bee into a red bee. I keep getting rascal or red. Don't know why. Okay, bee, you can have that. And I'll empty my thing. So, I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, I'm going to go in here. Hello, King Beetle. So I'm going to try to take out the King Beetle. So this will be interesting. So see you guys soon when it's nearly dead, maybe. Okay, so it's been like about 3 minutes and I've only gotten up to here, so this isn't good. This is gonna take a while. So I'm just gonna leave. Goodbye. So it's my second visit seeing him. My first visit was in episode 1. Maybe I've had it. Maybe that was my third visit though. So I'm going to do proving the hypothesis. So see you soon again. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out the spider. Oh, 3 sunflower seeds, that's good. So now I've completed another quest. So that's Spider Slayer, and then I might have done like 4, maybe even 5 if I do. Bringing all blueberries, if I have any blueberries, or enough of them. And then I'll have like 5, and then maybe 6 if I do brown beer. Okay, this is a lot. Oh, 300 battle points. Talk to me, Panda Bear. Talk to me, Panda Bear. 2 more quests in Silver Egg. 20. Okay. So that's annoying. 20 of them. So I'm going to do this quest for Science Beer, and I'll see you soon. Wait, and also for Brown Beer, because I'll be doing one for Brown Beer as well. So this is going to be a lot of quests today. Okay, so hello, I have still not finished Science Beer's one, but I finished Brown Beer's one. Because there was only like 3,000 more pollen, and that was really easy to get. So now I will hop down here and see this guy. Take another screenshot. Yay, real jelly. Yeah, jump up there. Close, kind of close. Not really. Okay, so I'll see you soon again. I keep saying this. Oh, 30,000. When I have finished a quest for Science Beer. Okay, so it's nearly night time and I've nearly finished the quest. So, oh, Rhino Beetle, hello. I'm probably not going to bother about nighttime right now. I'm just going to finish this quest off, which will finish in 3, 2, 1, and finished. Yay. So, hello Science Beer. Another one that I've done. Talk to Science Beer, blah blah, who cares about whatever you say. Oh, so much stuff. Beer Botany. So, 25,000 from all of those things. And do I have any... I was going to get like another blueberry, try to. And then I will have finished the quest for Mother Beer. And then there'll be loads of quests that I've finished. No, not that. Here. So, feed that to you. So close to finishing it. It's just one more blueberry. So I will see you guys when I find a blueberry. Okay, that was very easy. The first Rhino Beetle I killed, which was that one from over there, received a blueberry. So this is going to be another quest that I finished. So lots of quests. Why? I can't talk. Lots of quests this episode. It's daytime now. And I will feed it to you. Oh, so close. Come on, I want it to level up. Oh, one more thing. So there's also you. And then I can give this to you. Oh. Wait, did I actually tap that? Oh, did I waste one? I didn't think I did, but oh. Oops, I might have wasted one by accident. So now I've finished bringing on blueberries. So I'm mainly just getting these screenshots because I want to get screenshots for the thumbnail. It's just going to be a lot of beers with exclamation marks on. And game. I will talk to you now. Very well done. 10 treats, 3 tickets, and 20,000 honey. Yes, I have heard of a gifted bee. Royal Jelly Jamboree. So what's that? So, use 3 jellies and do 50 treats. And I've also got a royal jelly. Which did she give to me? No, she didn't. So I just hid that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And I will see you guys next time in another video of Roblox, because it's going to be Roblox. So I got a looker bee, okay, that's kind of good. Feed these to you. So I'll see you. Well, I just said that. So what was I going to do? What was the last thing I was going to do? I can't remember. Oh yes, empty my backpack. So goodbye.